We're going to take a look at the currency converter, otherwise known as currency charts or FOREX charts, here in slope charts. To get to them, you go to the menu and you choose the currency converter item from the menu, and you're presented with this dialog box. In the box there are two identical drop downs, and they contain hundreds of different currencies from around the world, and you can go from one currency to another. Now it shows the default, the euro to the US dollar, because this is by far the most popular Forex chart for anyone to look at. And so you could immediately just click on done, and that would bring up that particular chart, as you can see here. But let me show you some of the things about the dialog box that are worth knowing. You can also swap the position of those, which basically creates the reciprocal of that chart, like the following. And so this is just basically an upside down version. So there may be instances where you want to change the divisor and dividend on those. You can also preview charts so that you can stay in the dialog box and experiment with different currencies. So for example, as of this recording, the Turkish lira is very much in the news. And so I could click on preview, and I can see behind the dialog box in gray here the collapse of the lira versus the dollar. I could swap that and preview that, and we can see here how the United States dollar has just soared in value by many hundreds of percent against the Turkish lira. So that's really all there is to it. You just put the first currency literally from A to Z, all the way from the United Arab Emirate to the Zimbabwean dollar on the from, and the opposing currency in the to, and you can click preview to see what it looks like before committing yourself, or click done when you're satisfied with that. And as with any symbol, you can save these to a watch list, or if you're properly entitled, compare them to other symbols and so forth.